The roan antelope is a savanna antelope found in west, central, eastern southern Africa. It is the namesake of the Chevaline project, whose name was taken from the French Antilope Chevaline.Roan antelope are one of the largest species of antelope. They measure 190 to 240 centimeters from the head to the base of tail, and the tail measures 37 to 48 centimeters. The body mass of males is 242 to 300 kilograms and of females is 223 to 280 kilograms. The shoulder of this species is typically around 130 to 140 centimeters. Named for the roan color, they have lighter underbellies, white eyebrows and cheeks than black faces, lighter in females. They have short, erect manes, very light beards and prominent red nostrils. The horns are ringed and can reach a meter long in males, slightly shorter in females. They arch backwards slightly. They are similar in appearance to sable antelope and can be confused where the ranges overlap. Sable antelope males are darker, being black rather than dark brown. Roan antelope are found in woodland and grassland savanna, mainly in the tropical and subtropical grasslands, savannas, and shrublands biome, which range in tree density from forest with a grassy understory to grasslands dotted with few trees, where they eat mid-length grasses. They form harem groups of 5 to 15 animals with a dominant male. Roan antelope commonly fight among themselves for dominance of the herd, brandishing the horns while both animals are on the knees. Taxonomy and Evolution. The roan antelope shares the genus Hippotragus with the extinct bluebuck and the sable antelope, and is a member of the family Bovidae. It was first described by French naturalist Etienne Geoffroy Saint-Hilaire in 1803. The specific epithet equinus derives from the Latin equus, referring to the horse-like appearance of this antelope. In 1996, an analysis of mitochondrial DNA extracted from a mounted specimen of the bluebuck that it was outside the clade containing the roan and sable antelopes. The study therefore concluded that the bluebuck is a distinct species, and not merely a subspecies of the roan antelope. The cladogram below shows the position of the roan antelope among its relatives, following the 1996 analysis. In 1974, paleoanthropologist Richard Klein studied the fossils of Hippotragus species in South Africa. Most of these were found to represent the bluebuck and the roan antelope. The roan antelope seems to have appeared in the Nelson Bay Cave following climatic changes in the Holocene. Subspecies 6 subspecies are recognized. H.E. Bakari occurs in Sudan. H.E. Cottony Dolman and Burles 1928 occurs in Angola, Botswana, Southern Democratic Republic of Congo, Central and Northern Malawi, and Zambia. H.E. Equinus E. Geoffroy Saint-Hilaire 1803 occurs in Mozambique, South Africa and Zimbabwe. H.E. Koba range extends from Senegal to Benin. H.E. Langhelde Malchi 1898 occurs in Burundi, Northern Democratic Republic of Congo, Ethiopia, Kenya, Rwanda, South Sudan, Tanzania and Uganda. H.E. Charcus occurs in Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad and eastern Nigeria. Description: the roan antelope is a large antelope with a horse-like build. It is the largest antelope in the genus Hippotragus. The roan antelope stands 135 to 160 centimeters at the shoulder and weighs 230 to 320 kilograms. The head and body length is typically between 235 and 285 centimeters. The dark tail, terminating in a black tuft, measures 54 centimeters. Characteristic features include a short and erect mane of grayish-brown hair extending from the back of the neck along the midline of the back up to the rump, white patches around the eyes and the mouth on the otherwise black face, and long, narrow ears with 3 to 5 centimeters long tufts. The long legs are supported by large hooves and false hooves. The short, smooth coat is brown to amber. The ventral parts are yellow to white, while the neck and the mane are gray to black. The sable antelope is notably darker. It has a brownish-black coat.